Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have 3 of the 2023 NBA hoops. Earlier this week I did the 2024-25 3 blaster boxes. I decided to do some fat packs because why not? You never know what you're going to find unless we get inside. But if you look at the cover, like it says, exclusive teal explosions as well as orange explosion parallels. It shouldn't be anything too extravagant. To my understanding, there's no number cards in this product. But if you get right inside, this is last year's product. So definitely see what's inside. So Ben Simmons, Peyton Pritchard, and Kelly, Wendell Carter Jr., Marvin Barnes, Tyrese Halliburton, Evan Mosley, okay, we have Trailblazers for Scoot Henderson, rookie for Jalen Swanson, Kevin Durant, Anthony Black, rookie, Giannis, Leonard Miller, D'Angelo Russell. We have Jalen Hood. We have a purple, DeAndre Alton. Backwards card, it happens to be a teal explosion for Clint Capelli. Okay. Pure players for Donovan Mitchell. And arriving now, All-Star Thompson. Okay. All right, let's get it. Alex Caruso, Cameron Thomas, Tim Hardaway Jr., okay, what backward, topsy-turvy stuff, Alistair Thompson, rookie, Julian Strawther, Steph Curry on the base, Brandon Miller, rookie, Trae Young on the purple, Josh Giddey on the teal. Okay. Come on, give me a rookie on the teal, please. Next pack. Arriving now, Keon George. We have Damian Lillard on the Dynamos. Scoot Henderson on the base. Kevin Durant. Jordan Hawkins on the rookie base. Cam Reddish. Maxwell Lewis, rook. Evan Forther. And the remaining base, which happens to be CJ McCollum and Isaiah Mosley. Okay. Sorry about my little stack. I got another teal, if you didn't notice. Starting us off with Nicola, Mo Mbemba, Moban, Scotty Barnes, Paul George, Cole Anthony Towns, Cole Anthony, Bruce Brown, Josh Green. All right, first rookie of this pack is Carson Wallace. G.G. Jackson II. Therese Walker. LeBron. Next rookie is Marcus Saucer. Gary Payton. A lot of back and forth, but we'll get it done. Oliver. We have Amami Grant on the purple. Our teal is Davon Russell, so I guess we're not going to get our rookie on the teal. Dynamo for Luca. And last but not least, we have a Victor Greetings card. Okay. All right. This will conclude this video. This was last year's product. I just wanted to reveal it, get it ripped open, because either I rip it or I don't. But thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to show you what I have next. Next video is be a product I haven't opened on this video yet, so I can't wait to see you there. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.